You make me feel like I'm intoxicated in a room full of frozen faces. In a moment of fractured time, we eclipse in a conversation as the words they pass us by. With you, we could be the only ones here. 'Cause I think you're